Hey, this is Dr. Mark, and I've been having a little fun with my external style sheet. One thing that I noticed was my color burgundy, upon close inspection, wasn't really burgundy, it was black. And the red cast that I thought it was getting, it was just kind of a trick of my eyeball with that pink background. So I went ahead and I changed the color of my text to a navy blue. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So we want to take a look at Satisfied Mind. I also changed the name of the file. So you notice that my text is blue, and I also changed the text color of my heading to blue. Then I thought this would be really cool if, besides the lyrics, I actually had a performance of the song. So went out to YouTube, found a performance that I liked, said, okay, I want to share that, give me the embed code, and I popped that code right into my web page. So we can actually play Joan Baez singing A Satisfied Mind. Problem is, with this microphone that I'm using to record the screencast, I'm the only one that could hear it. But if you could load my page into your browser, you'd hear Joan's voice loud and clear. Okay, so not only did I update my Satisfied Mind in my style sheet, I was having so much fun, I created Along the Watchtower with a performance by the Dave Matthews Band, and Dear Landlord with a performance by Bob Dylan himself. And I could keep doing this, making a web page with lyrics and performance for every single one of my favorite Bob Dylan songs, and create my own favorite Bob Dylan song website if I wanted to. They all have the same look and feel. Why? Because of that external style sheet. Every single one of them, has one entry in column, and that's it. In the head of every one of these web pages, I have put in this code, link, REL, relationship equals, quote, style sheet, end quote, type equals, quote, text slash CSS, end quote, and href equals song.css. You see it here and all along the Watchtower. You see it here in Dear Landlord. And you see it here in Satisfied Mind. Now, let's have a little fun. This is our external style sheet. And you see where I changed the burgundy down here to a navy, and then I added this style attribute, color navy, to my body and my paragraph. Okay? Now, I'm going to add color red to my heading. So what I want is I want all of my pages to have a red heading 1, blue text, and a pink background. That's my style for the time being. I'm sure we'll change it to something more attractive along the way. So let's save this new version of song.css. Let's go out to Dear Landlord. Now, let's refresh it. And there, see, I've got my red heading 1. It inherited it for Dear Landlord, for Satisfied Mind, and for along the watchtower. If I had 1,000 web pages in this site, all referring to that same style sheet, they'd all change. In fact, it doesn't even have to be the same website. Pretty cool, huh? I'll be back with more.